In this guide, we'll walk you through different methods to reset an iPad, with or without a computer. Part 1. How to reset iPad to factory settings with a computer. When you have access to a computer, restoring your iPad to factory settings becomes more reliable and flexible. There are 2 ways to reset iPad to factory settings with a computer. 1.1 Restore iPad to factory settings. If you want to ensure that your iPad is completely wiped and no data can be recovered, Coolmuster iOS Eraser is an excellent option. Step 1. Connect your iPad to your computer using a USB cable. The program will automatically detect your device, and once connected, the main interface will open, allowing you to start the erasure process. Step 2. Click the Erase button on the main interface. Choose your desired security level low, medium, or high, and confirm by clicking OK. Step 3. In the confirmation box, type Delete and click Erase again. When asked to confirm the permanent deletion of your device's data, click OK to proceed. Step 4. Once the process is finished, all data on your device will be permanently erased and cannot be recovered. You can then safely set up your iDevice. 1.2. Reset iPad to factory settings with iTunes or Finder. This method restores your iPad while also installing the latest version of iPadOS. Step 1. Connect your iPad to your computer using a USB cable. Make sure your computer has the latest version of iTunes. Step 2. Open iTunes if you are using Windows, or Finder if you are on a Mac. Step 3. Look for your iPad in the left-hand sidebar and select it. If prompted, tap Trust this computer on your iPad and enter your passcode. Step 4. In the main summary panel, click on the Restore iPad button. Step 5. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Select Restore again to proceed. Step 6. iTunes or Finder will erase your iPad and automatically download and install the latest version of iPadOS. This process may take several minutes, depending on your internet speed. Step 7. Once the process is complete, your iPad will restart and display the Hello Setup screen, just like a brand new device. Part 2. How to reset iPad to factory settings without a computer. Apple allows you to reset your iPad directly from the device itself or remotely through iCloud. 2.1 Restore iPad to factory settings via Settings. If your iPad is working normally and you can unlock it, the simplest way to reset iPad to factory settings is directly through the built-in Settings app. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPad. Step 2. Scroll down and tap General. Step 3. Scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPad. Step 4. Tap Erase all content and settings. Step 5. If prompted, enter your device passcode to verify your identity. Step 6. A warning message will appear explaining that all media, data, and settings will be erased. Confirm by tapping Erase. Step 7. The iPad will begin erasing all data. This process may take several minutes, depending on the amount of data on your device. Step 8. Once complete, the iPad will restart and show the Hello Setup screen, indicating it has been restored to factory settings. 2.2. Reset iPad to factory settings with iCloud. If your iPad is lost, stolen, or not physically accessible, you can still reset iPad to factory settings using iCloud. This method works as long as Find My iPad is enabled, allowing you to erase your device remotely and protect your personal data. Step 1. Open a web browser on any computer or device and go to iCloud.com. Step 2. Sign in with your Apple ID and password. Step 3. Once logged in, click on Find iPhone. This also includes iPad. Step 4. In the All Devices drop-down menu at the top, select the iPad you want to reset. Step 5. Click Erase iPad. A warning message will appear, explaining that all content and settings will be deleted. Confirm your choice. Step 6. If the iPad is online, the erase process will begin immediately. If it's offline, the command will execute the next time the iPad connects to the internet. Step 7. After the erase is complete, the iPad will restart and display the Hello Setup screen, indicating it has been restored to factory settings.